Now we replace the cables, and as you suggest, we replace the radar now. As I said, this is not a problem. When I feel it, you will see here the radar is not working normally. This is new radar. The same thing with the previous radar, because we do not have any physical damage. Okay, so okay, this is radar. Aircraft. When you see here, I can hear the voice. It's rotating normally. When I hear it, it's not rotating normally. I suspect the firmware. I changed the cable, everything.
Unavailable.
This is the error message.
Downward radar cable error.
Okay.
Obstacle avoidance.
We replace the cable
Altitude
2-3 times.
stabilization
Cable is
unavailable.
also new. No problem. We test the cable. Already crowd test. The cables work. The radar work. We test with another drone. I suspect the firmware. Otherwise, I will replace the boat.